Hi, in this video I'll show you how to transfer file with Quick Share in Samsung Galaxy. So here I'm opening my gallery and let's open this photo. Now for example, I want to transfer this photo to my another Galaxy or Samsung device. Let's see how to do it with Quick Share. So I'm tapping on Share and here I'm selecting Quick Share. And first of all, we have to enable or turn on Bluetooth. So turn on Bluetooth. And now I'm going to opening my another Samsung phone. And in this phone, I'm turning on Bluetooth and tapping on. Again, I have to enable Quick Share. So from Control Center, here you will find Quick Share. Just enable Quick Share. And who can share with you? Select everyone and tap on done. And now in this device, as you can see, my phone is now showing. Now just selecting my phone, and it may take some seconds to connect. Once done, here just tap on accept, and here we can see I've successfully received a photo from this mobile to this mobile. That's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.